Example 6 is combining polynomials horizontally. It's the same thing in a way as we've been doing, except now we're going to combine adding and subtracting all at once. Example 6, combining polynomials horizontally. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus, and there's a bracket here, and then a parentheses, x squared minus x minus 3, end of parentheses, plus parentheses, minus 2x squared minus 4x, parentheses, and then close the bracket. Now you remember from elementary algebra, when you work with brackets and parentheses, you start from the innermost one and you work yourself out. So here's a bracket, and now there are parentheses inside the bracket, so we're going to start in here and work our way out, okay? So we're going to just rewrite this out here, and we're going to leave our bracket, and now we're just going to evaluate these two polynomials. Well, these two polynomials have a plus between them, so we can just drop the parentheses and write these terms. This is going to be x squared minus x minus 3 minus 2x squared minus 4x. Okay? We could do that because this was plus. Now we can treat this just like a parentheses, this bracket. Notice there's a negative sign. Now we're going to rewrite these, and we're going to drop the parentheses on this because there's no negative sign out here, so we know it's a positive. So this is x squared minus 2x plus 1. And now we'll rewrite all of these terms, but we'll change their signs because there's a negative out here, and we'll drop that bracket. So this is going to be a minus x squared plus x plus 3 plus 2x squared plus 4x. Now everything's out of parentheses. We can go through and group our terms and then add the like ones. So the highest exponent we have anywhere is this x squared term. So we'll start with those. We have x squared, that's this. Then we have this one is a minus x squared. And then we have a plus 2x squared. That takes care of the x squared terms. The next highest exponent is x to the first power. This is x to the first power. So we have a minus 2x. We can cross that one out. We have a plus x. And we have a plus 4x. Now the only thing left are a couple of numbers, whole numbers. We have a plus 1 and a plus 3. Now we can add our like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. So we have an x squared minus x squared. That's 0, right? 1 minus 1 is 0. X squared minus x squared is 0. So these just cancel out, and we end up with a 2x squared is the only x squared term we have left. Okay? Now on the other terms, the next series of terms are the terms containing just an x to the first power. So we have a minus x to x plus x going to be leave us with a minus x. So when we add these together, we get a minus x. And now we're going to add a 4x to this, and that's going to give us a plus 3x. Okay? And all we've got left now is this plus 1 and a plus 3, and that's a plus 4. So we went through all of that, and we only got 3 terms at the end. All that work for only 3 terms.